Yo YouTube, what's going on? Today we're talking about how to get Athleta in 2023 working promo code. As you can see, I've applied my promo code and I get this absolutely for free. And this video tutorial I will show you step-by-step tutorial how to get your working Athleta promo code absolutely for free. To get your working promo code, we must open browser, go to this website. As you can see, key codes. This website allowed you to generate a lot of coupons. Today we're talking about only of Athleta. So choose them, select our platform, it's work only for mobile, so grab your phone to hand and enter our email address and press button proceed. And now as you can see, everything is work. Now is generating for us working Athleta promo code, discount code in 2023. Now we must wait to finish this process. After complete of this process, our working promo code will be displayed, also sent to our email address. And this is it. This is final step. Thank you for watching. Enjoy and bye.